So I think this is our last presentation. So let's move on. That is basically voting for the MVP. So basically, the way this works is that there is this poll that you guys can. So basically, you can go to this link here. I'll also do it myself on my phone. So basically, everyone on the call, we're going to vote for your favorite strategy. You basically rank the strategies here. I think if you go to that link right now, you should be able to vote. And then afterwards, I'll link your strategies. So I'll give everyone about 2 minutes to think about the voting, look at strategies. You can also access the strategies in the Strategies Designs database if you want and vote there. Meanwhile, I'll play some music and then let's see, we'll do some YouTube Jeopardy music. And then we'll basically play, I'll give everyone, about 1 minute to finish all of the rankings, okay? So with 2 playthroughs of this theme. Probably 1 more minute. I also need some time myself. Okay, and then one more. So 30 more seconds. If you count right now, we do have 3 more. I don't know if people are still voting or not, but basically, let's give everyone a few more seconds in case it changes. But I think that from the results, I think we can probably appoint the MVP already. It looks like Todd's strategy is the overwhelming selection for MVP, and I think it's well deserved. I think that the amount of the work that Todd put in, and I think the amount of usage that people can use it for, I think it definitely makes it a well deserved MVP. So congratulations, Todd, on winning the MVP for cohort 12. Yeah, but honestly, I think there are actually many deserving candidates this cohort. The reason everyone certified is I was actually super impressed with just like the amount of effort that everyone put into their strategies, from George building his own Camino connector to like Pasha, like really extending the fundamental arbitrage strategy. So yeah, overall, just great job, everyone, in terms of what you guys built. So yeah, this wraps up cohort 12. But hopefully this is just the start of your participation in the community. You have lifetime access to the channels and Discord, as well as the courses. And what we're going to try to get the profile section updated. We'll send out an email, hopefully by the end of this week, with the NFTs, the videos, and also more information how you can update your profiles. But I really appreciate all the work you guys put in, and the fact that I think you all have learned, hopefully not from us, but from each other, means that you can share the code you're using, try to explore what each other built, and try to help each other become better market makers and algo traders. So Fanny and I, we're gonna really concentrate on building up the Hummingbot framework, making it better, and we're gonna be doing the next cohort of Botcamp in probably April of next year. And we do encourage people to take more Botcamps, so we're gonna try to give you guys a big discount if you want to take it again, and we'll have more information hopefully in the next couple weeks. Well, overall, I really enjoyed teaching you guys, and I had an amazing time this cohort, and I hope everyone here learned a lot. And I'll see you guys in Discord. I'll get this video posted, and thanks everyone for doing this.
Thank you. I know you guys put in a lot of work to make this happen. You guys did, Mike, and I appreciate it.
Thank you guys. Lovely. Really must. Great course.
Thank you very much. It was really good for us also to have you. We also learned from you. We put a lot of effort with Mike because it's like this month is like every day having calls and preparing for the sessions and everything, but we really enjoy it. And also we try to also learn what you want to do so we can improve the framework towards what you also want. So thank you very much.
It's not just us, it's also the team, Carlito, David, Nikita, Ralph. Basically, there's also a team behind us that's helping us do everything that we need to do and supporting you guys. But I think that the fact that everyone learns from each other, I think that's why we want to try to replicate this experience every 2 times a year and try to just share as much as possible and try to see this. I'm getting emotional, but I really appreciate everything that you guys learned and all the effort that you guys put into your strategies. We'll do our part and try to create a really designed profiles page and try to keep the conversation going in Discord. So I encourage you just to be part of the community and join us in democratizing trade. Oh, one final thing. If anyone is planning to go to DevConnect in Buenos Aires this year. Fede and I will be there. If you are, just feel free to ping us. And we're going to be probably doing around the conference, and I think it's in mid-November. And we'll be there, should be there most of that Dev Connect week in Buenos Aires. So if you're there or elsewhere, and I think we'll try to do more events in the US as well next year. But if you're here, we'll try to love to meet in person. So thanks everyone, and we'll see you on Discord.
Bye bye.